Welcome to my channel Coco Learn. Today we learn water animals. So let's go with me. Fish অর্থ মাছ. Fish lives in water. Crab অর্থ কাঁকড়া. Crab lives in water. Dolphin অর্থ dolphin. Dolphin lives in water. Octopus অর্থ octopus. Octopus lives in water. Whale অর্থ তিমি. Whale lives in water. Shark অর্থ হাঙ্গর. Shark lives in water. Turtle অর্থ কচ্ছপ. Turtle lives in water. Crocodile অর্থ কুমির. Crocodile lives in water. Starfish অর্থ তারা মাছ. Starfish lives in water. Jellyfish অর্থ jellyfish. Jellyfish lives in water. Lobster অর্থ lobster. Lobster lives in water. Squid অর্থ squid. Squid lives in water. Seal অর্থ seal মাছ. Seal lives in water. Eel বাইন মাছ. Eel lives in water. Penguin অর্থ penguin. Penguin lives in water. Clam অর্থ ঝিনুক. Clam lives in water. Mussel অর্থ শামুক. Mussel lives in water. Prawn অর্থ চিংড়ি. Prawn lives in water. Coral অর্থ প্রবাল. Coral lives in water. Goldfish অর্থ সোনালী মাছ. Goldfish lives in water. Thanks for watching.